In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a repeater on your Wix website. Whether you're tidying up your site or making room for new elements, removing unwanted repeaters is a simple task. So, without further ado, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the Wix website editor. Begin by logging into your Wix account and selecting the site you want to edit. Once you're in, you'll see the Wix editor dashboard where all the magic happens. This is your main hub for making changes and personalizing your website. Now, let's move on to the next step, clicking on the repeater you want to remove. In the editor, browse through your page and locate the repeater. A repeater is essentially a collection of items that share the same basic layout but can have different content. Once you've identified the right one, give it a single click to select it. You'll notice a box surrounding it indicating it's now selected. Having selected the repeater, the next step is to right-click on it. This action will trigger a context menu to appear on your screen. In case you're unfamiliar, right-clicking on an element is a shortcut many software programs use to access additional options. So, go ahead and right-click on your repeater, bringing up a variety of commands. From the context menu, find the Delete option and click on it. This is the pivotal step where you'll actually remove the repeater from your page. It's important to remember that deleting a repeater will remove all items it contains, so make sure you're ready to part with them. If you have second thoughts, most actions in the Wix editor can be undone, giving you peace of mind. Now that the repeater is deleted, let's turn our attention to managing individual items. Click again on the repeater, or what's left of it, on your page. You might wonder why we're doing this. Well, sometimes after removing a repeater, you might want to manage specific items, such as deleting particular elements within the collection without removing them as a group. Next, you're going to click on Manage Items. This option usually appears when you've selected the repeater. What you're looking for is a button or a link that allows you to manage the individual items contained within the repeater. Once you click on this, you're taken into a more detailed view, where you get to see all items listed out for easier management. Now choose an item from the list and click on the three dots next to it. These three dots are often referred to as the More Options menu and hide additional commands. Look through the list of commands that appear and select Delete once more. This deletes the specific item, allowing you to fine-tune the contents of your repeater without deleting everything at once. And that's it! You've successfully removed a repeater and managed individual items on Wix. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or run into any problems, feel free to revisit this guide or consult Wix's support resources for further assistance. Thanks for watching and happy editing!